I just received my Rhino USA heavy duty 4-pack ratchet straps. These are, I mean, they are heavy duty. I mean, I love these things. 1.6 inch wide webbing, and they are 8 feet long. They feel great. And I decided to try the 1.6 because I need something heavy duty, but not crazy heavy duty. We're gonna ratchet down these tires. Take a look. I love the end here. You know, I love how I can snap that on there. They're lovely. Just listen to that. And look at the handle. Look at the leverage I can get on this. Give them a spin. Like I said, I'm just going to toss that over. Automatically hooks on there. It stays. And, you know, like I said, the big lever allows me to get that torque. I mean, look at the pressure I'm putting across that tire. To release, it's all labeled right there. Boom. Check out their packaging. You get the whole beautiful box, carrying handle, and you also receive the extra little hooks there to allow you to tie in. You can do all kinds of good fun things like that. Tie that in over something, be able to have something to hook on. I've got my cargo secure, and my adventure is going to be in motion.